Hello everyone, this is Prakash Mani representing Auro Reality. It's a delight to be here again to provide you with the latest updates of our project Kohinoor at Hi-Tech City, as per first quarter of 2024. As we embark on this journey together, let's know the remarkable achievements so far. We are excited to announce that Phase 1, Crystal, Marvel and Regal Towers are now ready for occupancy, and our team is in all spirits to accomplish the next phases swiftly. We have completed all tower works of Phase 1 with Club Kohinoor fully operational. All double height entry lobbies, podium, hardscape and landscape works, sports amenities, etc. are fully completed. Permanent electricity connection works have been commenced for Phase 1 towers, and customers have started moving into their dream houses. Now, let's get into updates of our Phase 2, consisting of Imperial Sparkle Jewel Towers. The structural work for all three towers, that is Imperial, Jewel and Sparkle, are fully completed. External painting works in Phase 2 are advancing smoothly, with Imperial Tower nearing 90% completion, the Jewel Sparkle Towers making significant progress at 65% and 40% respectively. Moving to Phase 2 specifics, gypsum plastering work for all three towers is fully completed. Waterproofing works in the toilets, balcony and utility areas are nearing completion in the Imperial Tower, with Jewel and Sparkle Towers are completed by 40 and 65% respectively. In Imperial Tower, the corridor flooring and false ceiling work has completed 50% and 70% respectively. Works in Jewel and Sparkle Tower will commence. In the electromechanical section of works, fire-related works are almost completed in Imperial and Sparkle Towers, and Jewel Tower has reached a significant 70% completion. For Imperial Tower, electrical works are 50% done, and the heating, ventilation and air conditioning works are 40% complete, while copper piping works are completed by 75%. Works in Jewel and Sparkle Towers are ready to commence. Lift railing and lift doors installations works are in progress for all the three towers. The plumbing related works are fully completed in Imperial Tower, while significant progress has been made in Jewel and Sparkle Towers nearing completion. Marble works in Imperial Tower is nearing completion, with Jewel and Sparkle Towers underway. Imperial Tower's tile flooring and dado works are at 70%, with Jewel and Sparkle Towers in progress. Sparkle Tower stands at 10% completion, with Jewel Tower works has commenced. Installation of wooden doors and windows in Imperial Tower is going on, while in Sparkle and Jewel Tower, the work will start soon. The putty-related works have been completed by 80% for Imperial Tower, while the works have begun for Jewel and Sparkle Towers. The internal painting works in Imperial Tower is done by 20%. For Sparkle and Jewel Towers, the works will start soon. As we near completion, the compound wall for all towers stands at 95%, and the gas distribution network is fully installed for Phase 1. Additionally, the proposed 100 feet approach road has been successfully constructed, connecting to the east entrance of the project. In Phase 3, the Dazzle Tower has reached till 30th floor. Gypsum plastering works have commenced in the Dazzle Tower. While this completes the update of the first quarter of 2024, we continue to shape this gem at the heart of the Hi-Tech City. Thank you for joining us.